It's that big.
Well, can I tell you what the parts of the body is? Okay, so the tail is like this big. Then it has an oval head, and then it's like this big. It's slimy and it's black. It's really,
I'm really scared to see this thing. So if Jared was here, I would make him do this. I'm so scared.
Kind of.
Does it have a head? Okay, what hole? The second hole? Oh my gosh, I can't get that close. Is it gonna come out?
I don't know. Hopefully it won't. There it is. I don't know what it is.
Nana, you act like it's no big deal. Now you're going. Check it out. Check it out. Ew, ew.
Can you not get it? Wait.
Daddy is changing Zoe's diaper.
Backwards.
And Jonah's doing...
Hey, why is that golf ball in here?
I don't know.
That doesn't need to be in here.
Well, Jonah probably brought it in here.
Oh, you putting it right there?
Yeah, so it can go in there.
Okay, man, that's a trick right there, buddy. Ooh, look at that trick.
Hello. There's Miss Zoe. And there's Daddy.
What's up?
Hi. Trying to make a Subway surf in here. I'll show you all the paper we have. I got a lot of Legos. So we need a lot of paper. And then this is how I will talk. I'm trying to do this.
What are you doing? Are you trying to make it almost?
I'm trying to do this.
Oh, you're trying to go in there? Okay.
Is he alive?
No.
Well, he's alive in heaven. I don't know how heaven works.
Yeah.
Well, he's in heaven. I know, but he's up in the sky.
Is he?
But I can. He's floating in the sky, like Metro City, floating peaceful in the sky. What?
Did you get to tell Webby bye?
Yeah.
How did you tell him bye? Remember when we went to see him?
No. Cry. He's Daddy's recording you. Web still got stuck in the mud, and then
Well, that's
we
not
got
how
him out.
I know, but that's not how he got sick.
He's not stuck in the mud again.
No, he's not. Where is he now?
In heaven. He can jump. Run, walk, jump, hop, and jump. Jump on the bed. Like, jump like that. Nana, I lost a little tooth. And Webby's Mommy pulled it out. Stuck in the mud. Well, why is he stuck in mud? He's not.
He's not stuck in mud.
But why is mud there? To bury him. Do you know what bury him? Do you know what bury means? Yeah. What's bury mean? Do me in heaven? No. Well, sort of. Where is in heaven? Well, I'm not in mud. I'm not a dog. Definitely not true.
Definitely not true. Don't need a knife? For purple.
Purple.
Sorry. A new car seat for them and it's purple.
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, that is so pretty. Remember when I wanted to get purple when we were having Jaden?
Yeah.
Cool. You want to try, Jonna?
Whoa.
Sit in it. No, didn't sit.
What's this? Is this your bucket?
Headrest for baby.
Oh, headrest. Kaka, this is cool. That's kind of like a towel.
It's like a towel.
Yeah, like a towel.
Painting y'all's little house. How cute. I smell something. What do I smell?
Leaves?
What do they smell like?
Tomato leaves?
Tomato leaf smell?
Yeah, they have a very distinct smell. That's how I
Really?
knew that's what it was.
What are those? Oh, is that okra?
I think it's okra. And there's another one growing inside of all of
That
them.
looks so strange. I don't remember it having that on it.
Yeah, see right there. Those are okra.
Oh, no, I was talking about these.
Oh, those were onions that I tried to replant.
Uh,
I don't think they're going to do anything though.
it's really weird looking.